Hello, my name is Kylan Hunt with Grow Guru. Today I want to run through a sales tool with you. It's a sales tool that I'm calling the Wealthy Soil Series. Now that may sound like a strange sales tool, but it actually makes a lot of sense when you realize that what we're focused on with producers right now is building profits using their soil profile. That's a crazy thing to think about because it's just not normal. It's not normal in our everyday thinking. However, when you really consider what farmers have to increase their profit potential, all they really have is the soil. That's really it. The seed has X amount of potential, the fertilizer has X amount of potential, the water has X amount of potential. There's just a certain amount of potential in every input that the grower has. However, if they want to increase that profit potential, it's not going to be just about a product or just about a certain input. It's about continuously improving the soil structure itself. See, soil structure is directly related to the way that we access nutrition. It's directly related to the way that biology and chemistry in the soil works. Everything is tied back to soil structure and, in many ways, soil health. Soil health has been a trend that's been talked about now for a long time. A lot of people are talking about it. But the question is, what is it? How do we know that we have wealthy, healthy soils? And that's what we're really going to talk about through the next series of videos. See, this is a sales tool that you can use to go out and talk with farmers about continuous root zone monitoring. Continuous root zone monitoring. See, that's a lot different than just irrigation management. I'm going to show you in our next video that we use a soil moisture probe. That's what we use. But we do not use a soil moisture probe like all of the other companies are using it. We're using it totally different. And that's the difference maker, my friend. We're monitoring the soils 365 days a year. We're using the sensors completely different than any other company in the world right now. And this is a brand new product out to the marketplace. I don't take that lightly. I don't say that lightly because this is different than anything else that's been in the water management space before. In fact, I'd go on to say it's not as much about water management as it is soil structure, root development, root mass. It's going to be infiltration, soil health management. We're doing so much more than just water. What we measure, though, is how the water changes in all these different conditions. You see, water is the one resource inside the soil profile that's always going to be moving. It's always mobile. And we have technology to watch water move. But the question is, what is that movement telling us? What is that movement telling us about soil structure? And what is it telling us about what we should be adjusting and changing at any given time? My friends, embrace these next few videos because you're going to learn how to take this technology out to the farm and increase farmer profits. I will promise you, you are now in a position to create wealthy soil for your producers. Let's get started with this.